Kondisi di Pulau Oktober.
Ito tolong din to siningona. Kita upayan rutan bikin menikah sarana. Siya tumai and live stream. Sa di buru-buru ta mga ninto patapon mekin nakikim ni sar live tumai. And mataka binang ni kuha and vola mata and video film Facebook page and mataka binaka and dai.
Well, good morning to each and everyone. This morning, thank you very much for being part of the live system. So, thank you to Punjes. Thank you for you too for being taking the anchor of the Outspalangi and the BTFM Bata Bisinga for this morning and so on.
Thank you so much for coming back. We hope that you enjoyed your few days
maternity leave.
Maternity leave ko raw sudu.
How many years did you went back to Lambasa?
Oh, so many years.
So many years, eh?
So many years. A change in the town of the Lambasa city.
What have changed?
The change.
Did they let you know?
The Moda city in Long Bay. Oh,
Long Bay?
Look nice, yeah.
Oi, nakabata na kin Long Bay.
Long Bay, Bay Malabu.
Oi.
And then you put Long Bay. This is after the bridge when you go past to the hospital side.
Oi.
Okay.
After the bus stand.
Go check the movie.
Yeah, on the left.
Right.
To the Badur side.
Badur, eh?
Yeah.
Kita mana check Lambasa? Say good morning to Mitun.
Oh, Mitun, the taxi driver from Sabu Sabu.
Right.
I was wondering when I was listening on the radio when I hear a song. I heard somebody was talking. The brother of the family, Michael Randua.
Oh, the mga rumusika.
The man Rumusinga was talking, and I was wondering, hey, this fella listening to BTFM, I was like this, you Bale, you listening to this radio station or you accidentally
Press.
Oh no, when they stop on the pothole, they land the station.
Yeah.
I'm listening every day, every time. Name some of the radio announcer. He said the name. I was like this. Kaise? Hamar de Mesime.
Freedom moto.
One day we was telling the story. You know, Babu. Daddy, I'm the son. You get the story, I'm the son.
Alright.
Oh, so that you mean you the broken English, eh?
Yes, I'm the dog. I'm the dog, Sarga. This one, Sarga, the dog.
Mitun, taxi driver, black gas taxi.
Right.
In Sabu-Sabu, Good morning
to the people who are joining now. And one fella was calling me. Was calling me when I was we was doing the video call.
Alright.
MC Prasad from Germany. So when doing the video call after that, I was taking the cup.
What cup?
The cup, the bilniang ko na. I insert into my mouth.
Intestine.
Intestine may wala nang muraki.
Kasi bili ka siguro ako.
May tarawingan ko na tilong ka na tapioca.
Okay.
So from there, he was like this. When I take the cup, because myself, when I drink agona, finish from the below, then I left in my mouth.
Alright.
My mouth full
Don't
the
stop
bow.
over ka.
Don't stop over. Full the bow in my mouth, full like this. Baka mo kumutu eh. Then after that, I
Connect flight.
Mo connect flight ko na mga kabuka.
Transplant zone.
Sangkay ko sa buto malu. Sangkay video call when he look at me, he was wondering, hey, what's wrong with you? Something wrong? You about to overten?
Overten man, overten.
Kalau itu menakakan, No. This is my style of grogging. After finish
Stop, boy.
Little did he know that the devil that you are worshipping inside you is always drink slowly.
He was like this. Hey, ay weka. Sa baka wala sarangan na numungunan ko na. Baka wala ninda sarapa.
Okay, our story this morning.
Okay, before we went to the story, I would like to say good morning to the Pasela gang.
Lambasa.
Yeah, when you reach Obalau, you never step to the 100 step. That means you does not stay in Obalau.
Alright.
You haven't been to Obalau.
Yeah. When you go to Sabu Sabu, when you not into the hot spring, you are not in Sabu Sabu. When you go to
not sitting in the hot spring,
you're not going to the Tangmodia Lake. You never come to Tangmodia.
Alright.
So when you go to Lambasa, when you're not having taste the pasal of Lambasa, you never been to Lambasa. So this is again pasal when I came in. They was calling Messi.
Come eat.
I want to eat the pasela.
Mom, come on, mom.
Na me. Makilesi, Honora and Seraya, they are joining from Lambasa. And one thing, I've been around long enough to understand them. I've been around in the town of Fiji, looking,
searching so long,
eating from there,
Yeah.
This was
Kanarara.
Wanrukai. I was being terminated.
Right.
Wanrukai
Nabingrabi.
the services of the
Pasela girls.
the Pasela girls.
Right.
Ilan pasa?
They giving the Pasela
Yeah.
free one joke.
Woi, one joke.
One joke.
Woi, na cukup mula.
Joke ulang-ulang ko na kokoroti.
Sina. Okay, you pay for the parcel.
Naulu mga lise.
Kira-kira, dumulta ka na kakanan, kakabulta ka na choke.
Nung ko na, hindi mo ba one pasel na free one joke? One joke mula-mula.
From there to every time there chocolate juice.
Oi,
Not
okay.
any other else.
Oi.
Yeah.
Dinasar.
No other place in Fiji, eh?
Yeah.
Only in Lambasa.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you very much for the services, for the kind and Wikawitaki.
Yeah.
Thank you to the people from Lambasa.
Yeah.
Not forgetting the everyone.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Lo and fatefei tu wana chuki sawan na ibon bala bana matari ko. Our story.
Oh, this is the story.
Yeah.
There is a man who always love a dog.
Yeah.
And the dog love the man.
Okay.
Around the we talk in Rendre.
You the
So
dog.
one day,
Yeah.
so Karoti J was there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one day, this fella, every time, whatever he do,
Right.
he does.
Yeah.
This dog.
Dog, yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever he do, he does.
Right.
So,
Because the dog, they secured us.
so they went to the church. When they go to the church, they go to the church. The
dog follow.
They sleep together. They follow each other.
All right.
So they do whatever they do because they are like a family member.
Right.
Because the man does not have a wife.
Oi.
Oh,
Only the wife, the dog.
No,
Oi.
he was a best friend
Yeah.
of the dog, and
Pet,
the dog
eh?
was the pet. So he loved him.
Yeah.
So one day he was accidentally hit by somebody.
Yeah.
The dog.
The dog in
Oi.
the road. So he passed away.
Yeah.
When the dog passed away, the fellow was crying.
Yeah.
He cried.
Miss him.
He missed him.
Yeah.
He doing the pambong iba.
Oi.
Gua bakal
Yes,
sa bulo.
Yeah.
He doing everything. He doing everything. He come. So one day he was there. He was asking himself,
Yeah.
how we gonna bury this one?
Right.
And ang bulu pala, ma.
When into the pambong iman, dapat
my
tiwir kuli.
dog.
Yeah, how come?
When into the pambong iman, dapat tiwir kuli.
Farewell. How I'm gonna farewell my dog?
Yeah.
So the dog kalas marage.
Yeah.
So he take a jersey, one new jersey.
Right.
He wear the dog.
Right.
Sangkain taro na kuli.
Right.
So one.
Sake printa gitu na jesia, kuna true gali-gali, kuna tani seria true gali-gali. Ada ni jesia sabla ngi itu boleh tu kina, my true doggy.
Doggy,
Yeah.
So true doggy was passed away.
Yeah.
With the jersey on the name.
Right.
So he preparing the mat,
Yeah.
the masi,
Yeah.
and everything.
Coffin.
Like the coffin.
Alright.
The normal ceremony when somebody passed away.
Okay.
So from there he was looking for somebody
Yeah.
to doing the church services.
Yeah.
Oi.
Meta kan lutin
Lothar
wimbulu.
Wimbulu. Right.
Sa.
Iya. So doing the lutin wimbulu,
Yeah.
he going to the pastor.
Ah.
Yeah.
Pastor, please,
Yeah.
can you do one church service for Rusty?
Rusty.
Oi, rest in the
Who's
name of the dog.
Rusty?
Yeah.
Who's Rusty? My friend. Passed away. Okay, we will come. When he reached there,
Yeah.
he know that Rusty was a dog.
Oh, priest.
No.
Yeah.
Bale.
Yeah.
No.
I can't do it.
I can't do it. We only do church services for Lutin Wembul for the human being.
Yeah.
For the dog, no. Are, we are friends. We are living together. This is my best friend.
Yeah.
It should look like a human being.
Yeah.
When he okanto talay.
Takala nga takabo
Yeah, he
ka.
does.
Yeah.
So he come.
What I do, he do.
I do. So from there, sagay taro ka. Okay, you can do it. Okay, I got. Who else can do it?
Yeah.
You know, on the bend. Before the road.
Tal-tala.
Tal. Before the road, on the bend,
Yeah.
there is one church there.
Yeah.
He can do.
Yeah.
He can do the services.
Lutul Wimbulu.
The Lutul Wimbulu.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
Sa-
give him Sangka sembero token koli. I'm gonna give him 1 million for the chips. Akilo tal naila usan lako iki. Hey, satu mbak nang kasih mesasi ro. Alam usan kali sila ngabi ko ndan million nanto. Me buke me sauni non na kabana lutin be sakilo tal ndan million ningo. Ndan namba kita ulo kasanga itu ndan million. Istulia walitu lutin be imbul. Abang ningo ka. Ausara sila itu be tal me le kabana lutin be imbul ndan million $. Hey!
Vale.
Are, why did you tell me that the dog was a Christian? Ale unila sauro tu nala manando million.
Ayo sarang lambas sa.
Tolongan nono bakasama.
Tolong kasama. Nono kabaya.
Iya.
Sakilo ko na ndone million ningo sarawa.
Atala chiko ni kwa.
Adala chiko. Atuno ko okay sanang kali sulinga bi ko rambale to ko na muno sule bi ko ndone million. Atuno ko na damo ko sentuk na million ni lotu talaga na kulingor.
Silimbarabi.
Naka.
Kasi mo tali silimbarabi. Kari rambidi. Tau di pasel laliw.
Wow.
Rasa na kami sawa na po ng balaw. Rasa nga.
Iya, bulak.
Arto na kanto ya.
Right, to rasa ulemba tambua pena.
Iya.
Do bulo na kamay na kona kia.
Iya.
Kwa manra malaka dems badila save na katungorin na keria gori. Badila save na katungorin keria gori.
Oh, bukan dua.
Ya.
Natongan kitiwan yang buna pa kumbuha yang binaka kesa maramani balu.
Tumbula.
Yang binaka.
Boleh.
Torika
Balin ng singa maramanait.
kami pataki Queen ini boy o saya si Tamundu.
Boleh benaka.
O ni binaka na mataki kuah.
Hayaw sara.
Kau ya ba? Menuku meseru do bul binaka.
Saya si Tamundu bulo benaka.
Iya.
Mambul tal ngabe kimin ken sar tu mana bisa buru taliso.
Iya.
Ni an rabena ken mbula watal ngaki be kimin sebut mi balangi ma Australia New Zealand lu biti. Oni sala iben karra vitungori. Ena buno ada ngani sebut ken ya andona italano anindona turangan ital talamela mas James.
Jangan ko.
Nanda ke menreketi madua ta kami ni boy.
Boleh ya masih ni bono ami boleh.
Tori ka dipa ana binaka vini na ibeli ma ana binaka pa di binaka lesu man tangi o demis.
Right.
Ali pate singa bunau. Go ngai lambasa.
Jena Labraska.
Rawesi maloni ana binaka oni buina kelo.
Yo.
Esa do
Oni binaka lai taka hataka sia taka ronda lai bena matani kuwa.
Right.
Kena lebu kan binaka.
Binaka punjes.
Nai tokan indani ben karabi.
Kurmundo.
Ya umi ke galon bula.
Gonde Messi.